Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com. For the last few years, we've been bringing you recipes, tips, and techniques on the weekly basis. And lately, our team has been combing through the archives to pick out some of our favorites. We're cooking our turkey on a Yoder Smokers YS640 pellet grill. It's set to 375 degrees, so we're doing a hot roast today. And while we're doing that hot roast, we're gonna add a little bit of extra smoke flavor to really pound that in there, since we're gonna have a shorter cook time. We're gonna do that with an amazing smoke tube and some pellets. So we'll slide our bird up here onto the second shelf and then fill our tube with some pellets. So let's get this thing lit right down here on the firebox side. At 375 degrees, we should be able to get the skin just how we want it. And with that smoke tube in there, we're not gonna lose out on any of the smoke flavor. Now, this is what the bird looks like in an hour and a half. We're getting some really beautiful color around here on the thighs, the legs. Just been rotating this every once in a while to make sure that it colors evenly. All right, so we're gonna try and find the coldest spot. There we go. Right in the middle, 135. So we've got another 20 to 30 degrees that we could go. At this point, we're gonna put the stuffing in. And that stuffing will warm up and get a nice crust on the top as the bird finishes cooking and then rests after the cook. Well, here we are about 2 hours and 15 minutes into the cook. 158, we're getting in the deepest part of the breast, which is perfect. The thighs are done. We're ready to pull this bird off. Look at that beautiful color on there. Crispy skin, smoky flavor. This came out just right. All right, this turkey's been resting a good 45 minutes now, so we're gonna slice into it and just kind of talk about the different ways that we can take this bird apart. So probably the easiest place to start is by removing the thighs and leg. And that's really simple. With a sharp knife, just come right in between and it comes right off. Of course, that's a massive serving, so you probably wanna separate these as well, which is really easy. So as you bend this joint pops out and you cut right in between there. Separated, ready to serve. On the breast, I'm gonna start by getting rid of those toothpicks that we put in there, which did a great job of holding that skin right where we wanted it. And then I'm gonna remove the wings. So again, we're looking for a joint that we can cut right through. There we go, we pop that out, and that wing comes right off. That's a pretty good hunk of meat right there. And like I mentioned earlier, what this allows us to do by removing that wishbone is we can cut slices straight down through here. All the way down to the bottom, so you get these big, beautiful, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at all the juice in that thing. That's ridiculous. You can go right down through where the wishbone was to the rib cage, and you've got one big, beautiful slice right there. That's amazing. So probably not serving these thighs whole. This is a good piece of meat that you can take apart and shred by hand. And then you just want to run it right back through these juices. It's going to soak up all of that good flavor coming out of there and make it even more moist. There you go. All right, this piece right here is calling to me. Oh, fantastically juicy. Love the ranchero flavor. And then we're getting all those holiday herbs, the sage, the rosemary, it's all coming out. I need a nap already. A little bit of that stuffing, some crust on top. Oh, still so moist, but with great crunch and great smoke. Along with that turkey, that's a winning combination. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. And hey, let's be good to one another. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.